Dongguan Juntai Electronic Technology Co. Limited was established in 2020. It is located in Dongguan, known as the World Factory, with a superior geographical location, obvious supply chain advantages and convenient export. Our factory has an engineering team with more than 20 years of mold development experience and injection molding production experience. With advanced technology and strong financial strength, the company specializes in manufacturing plastic molds, plastic injection molding, metal stamping, decorative lamps, electronic scales and electronic lighters. Our customers are all over the world, including industrial manufacturing, auto parts, consumer electronics, home life and other industries. Our mission is to provide customers with the best manufacturing and production solutions in the shortest possible time to meet the complex needs of customers. The company has a variety of high-quality machinery and equipment, including injection molding equipment, semi-automatic manipulators, automatic strips, automatic stamping machines, and more than 40 plastic production equipment. More than 15 mold manufacturing equipment including grinder, spark machine, CNC production center, CNC milling machine, digital display vernier caliper, lever dial indicator, digital display depth gauge, two-dimensional measuring instrument and other measuring instruments. We have ISO 9001, ISO 1400 certification and won many awards from customers. We sincerely hope to cooperate with you for a better future. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on Alibaba.com.